Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells that contain the word you want removed. Use Ctrl plus F to search the exact word or highlight a range manually. This saves time. Once you know whether you need whole word or partial matches, open Replace with Ctrl plus H so you can act immediately. Make sure to copy the column to a new sheet as a quick backup. This prevents data loss if the replace affects other text. Now you're ready to remove the first occurrences safely. You can remove words directly with Replace. Press Ctrl plus H, type the word, leave Replace blank and click Replace All. That removes exact matches. If you need more control, use equals substitute, A2, word, to target wording within cells and copy the formula down. Once done, convert formulas to values with copy, then paste special values. Make sure to wrap substitute with trim when extra spaces remain, so the cell text stays clean, and finish by handling edge cases and final cleanup. For multiple words, use nested substitute calls or regular expression style filtering in Power Query to remove patterns consistently across columns. This helps when words vary by punctuation. Once you apply changes, run trim and clean to tidy spaces and hidden characters. If something goes wrong, immediately undo or restore from the copied column you made at the start. One key troubleshooting tip: check for non-breaking spaces and remove them with substitute, cell char 160, before trimming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.